You've probably heard a lot about Node-RED and FlowFuse, but what's the actual difference between the two? Hey there, my name is Christopher Sandoval. I'm a developer relations advocate here at FlowFuse, and today I'm going to help you answer that exact question. So let's jump into the difference between Node-RED and FlowFuse. What is Node-RED? So Node-RED is a low-code visual programming language for event-driven applications. It's built on Node.js and it allows you to create flows with an intuitive browser-based interface. It was created to make connecting hardware, services, and APIs easier and more accessible, all while ensuring ample tooling for more complex situations that might require bespoke code or external integrations. Data in Node-RED is treated as a message, and this message can carry a payload, a topic, or other metadata. When this message is ingested into Node-RED, you can then use nodes to sequence, manipulate, and process this data. And when it comes to nodes, the sky's the limit. The Node-RED community has created over 5,000 nodes that allow you to connect pretty much anything to pretty much everything. If you can't find the node that you need, Node-RED is open source, so you can create that node specifically for your custom solution. This particular approach has made Node-RED a favorite of organizations across the globe. It provides fast, easy, and intuitive application development without requiring advanced programming knowledge, easily bridging the gap between IT and OT teams, and enabling you to focus down on the solution, not the boilerplate that underpins it all. What is FlowFuse? FlowFuse takes the power and promise of Node-RED to the next level, enabling secure, governed, and AI-accelerated scaling to help you move beyond prototype into production. Node-RED is a powerful solution for low-code visual programming, but it does have its limitations. Node-RED provides only basic compliance and security systems. It requires manual efforts for orchestration and multi-device management. It requires hefty manual efforts for versioning and deployment management. And it also lacks advanced enterprise offerings like MCP integration directly with your source code. But FlowFuse delivers these solutions and more, allowing you to supercharge your Node-RED deployment. You see, Node-RED and FlowFuse are a seamless continuum. You can leverage Node-RED's flexibility, utility, and creativity to develop your initial application, and then leverage FlowFuse to scale, utilizing enterprise-ready security, powerful auditing solutions, seamless version control, multi-device and fleet management solutions, and extremely powerful AI tooling. FlowFuse bridges the gap between what's possible and what's reliable at scale, empowering teams to innovate faster, build smarter, and automate with confidence, all with complete governance, data, and operational control. The FlowFuse platform is 100% compatible with Node-RED, meaning you can build in FlowFuse just like you would build in Node-RED itself, creating a continuity of skill and understanding. In fact, FlowFuse was founded by the creator of Node-RED, Nick O'Leary, which gives you a platform that is future-proof as well as aligned with the core values of the Node-RED project. Why you need FlowFuse. Let's dive into the specific benefits that FlowFuse offers over Node-RED. Node-RED does offer you low-code integration, but FlowFuse enhances this with AI-assisted tooling that helps you get to 100% faster than ever. FlowFuse Expert is an LLM-powered MCP-integrated solution that connects AI directly to your machines, your brokers, and your documentation, meaning that it understands your system, your protocols, and your setup. You're not getting some generic answer from a black box AI solution. You're getting custom, tailored, bespoke, and proven solutions that you can deploy immediately. Because of this, FlowFuse Expert is the fastest and most secure way to build your applications and operate at scale. It combines Node-RED's 5,000 plus community developed nodes with FlowFuse certified nodes and bespoke development. That means that you get all of the benefits of having a large open source community as well as all of the benefits of having enterprise backend. You get community support, but you also get custom blueprints, pre-built solutions, tested and certified nodes, and certified customizable solutions for instant deployment. For enterprise teams, security, compliance, and governance is a constant pressing need. FlowFuse brings enterprise-grade security throughout the entire stack, allowing you to ensure that you are secure, compliant, and auditable. Our world-class granular role-based access control gives you more streamlined and customizable control over how you secure your resources, how people access those resources, and what people are allowed to do with them. Ultimately, FlowFuse isn't a replacement for Node-RED. It's a force multiplier, taking your solutions into production reality and allowing you to scale truly effortlessly. Into the future with FlowFuse's AI. Now, FlowFuse's AI offerings are all about making artificial intelligence practical, not magical. Instead of treating AI like a black box bolted on the side of your systems, FlowFuse intelligently and securely embeds AI directly into the way that your applications are built, operated, and governed. At the center of this effort is FlowFuse Expert, an LLM copilot that is designed specifically for industrial teams. That means that it understands your systems as they are, the real protocols, data models, limitations, and governance expectations that underpin your entire system. It doesn't just rely on generic examples from the internet. It gives you actionable, real insight and information about your real situation. With FlowFuse Expert, teams can turn natural language into real industrial outcomes. You can generate Node-RED flows, JavaScript logic, SQL queries, and dashboards directly from plain English descriptions, dramatically reducing the time it takes to move from idea to working system. FlowFuse Expert enables teams to capture hard-earned OT knowledge and turn them into reusable, governed blueprints. Patterns for UNS, SCADA, MES, and middleware can be created once, versioned, and safely deployed across plants, giving organizations consistency without slowing innovation. And speaking of knowledge, our MCP implementation allows you to connect resources and tools directly within your flows, enabling powerful, transformative agentic implementations. Wondering which of your machines are up for maintenance? But want additional context like how this machine is performing against specification, how it relates to other machines, and what its actual utilization has been over the last couple months? Well, instead of being buried in documentation, you can simply ask the agent. You just connect a few simple nodes, ask your question, and get immediate and contextual answers that shorten your time from question to practical utility. And throughout all of this, you stay in control. AI suggestions and insights flow through the exact same approval patterns, the same workflows, the same role-based access controls, and the same audit trails that all of the other FlowFuse processes flow through. The result is AI that accelerates teams without bypassing trust, safety, or accountability. Ultimately, FlowFuse's AI solution isn't about replacing engineers or operators. It's about amplifying their expertise, reducing friction, and making industrial systems easier to build, easier to scale, and easier to trust and utilize as they grow. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving us a like, comment, or subscribe, and make sure you check out the rest of the content on this channel for other videos about Node-RED and FlowFuse. If you'd love to get started with FlowFuse today, follow the link in the description to speak with one of our migration specialists. This has been Christopher Sandoval. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.